Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some brilliant startups across our country. Now the question is that why you should see this interview. You should watch this interview if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview if you want to know about some excellent experiences which our startup owners go through. If you are related to startup or business, you should definitely watch our interviews and get inspired by some excellent stories. For today's interview, we have Mr. Karthik, who has been a former journalist and holds a post-graduation diploma in radio and TV journalism from Indian Institute of Mass Media, New Delhi, an avid public speaker and 3-time national debate champion. He wishes to explore the nuances of new age media universe in the transition landscape of journalism. He has also been awarded Certificate of Excellence from former CM of Uttarakhand, Mr. Harish Rawat. Karthik is currently working at ICCPL as an Assistant Manager Research and Report. Today, he has associated with us to tell us about the inception, journey and transformation of ICCPL in 11 years, an organization in terms of services and venture. The first interview that we are conducting with ICCPL, and there are 4 more lined up. So today, Karthik is going to introduce us with ICCPL. So let's jump into the interview and see what Karthik wants to say about ICCPL. Hello, good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you so much.
Yes. Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. So Tanvi, my name is Karthik, and to all the viewers, my name is Karthik. I work at ICCPL, that is Integrated Center for Consultancy Private Limited. And I work over here as an assistant manager for research and reports. Quite new to the place, but yes, a strong responsibility is there on my shoulder as I am heading the research department for the team. So yes, this is what viewers must know about me.
So also I want to tell our viewers that this is the first interview that we are conducting with ICCPL, and there are 4 more interviews lined up. So the first interview topic is that Karthik sir is going to elaborate the inception, journey and transformation of ICCPL in the 11 years. And also he's going to talk about the terms and conditions and also their organization. So sir, please elaborate the beginning of this wonderful company.
Okay. For all the viewers, let you guys go through the entire journey that ICCPL has been through in the last 11 years. So ICCPL stands for Integrated Center for Consultancy Private Limited. ICCPL is one of the 360-degree marketing solutions company and is one of India's leading consulting PR firms. We have an experience of serving 100 plus clients from healthcare, real estate, education, auto, retail, hospitality, technology, and startups, to name a few. So the testimony of ICCPL deliverables is the fact that the company have a retention ratio of over 95%. And that's really huge when we talk about a media and a PR firm. So we have over 720,000 consulting hours, and ICCPL has been providing 360-degree PR services to esteemed clients like DLF India, Raheja Developers, OYO, Housing.com, PropTiger, Omax, Signature Global, Pacific Mall, Vedas Cure, Ansel Housing, DPS Society, Jaipuria Group of Institutes, Gulshan Homes, the Great India Palace, and many others. So in the last financial year that we all know the economy has been really slow, ICCPL was the only PR and communication agency with over 75.6% growth rate. ICCPL digital subsidiary recently posted a growth rate of 300% in the last year during the pandemic situation when everyone was jobless. There was a lot of unemployment that was throughout the country, and we have been dealing with the global pandemic, as we know, and we are still going through. We were still operating during lockdowns. We were still, trying to manage our clients by working at home, endless number of hours, and all thanks to the team that we have at ICCPL. This growth rate has been the mark. And ICCPL has been one of the only MSMEs and in PR communication domain which has been awarded by Government of India in 2019. When we talk about our founder CEO, Mr. Dushyant Sinha, I'll take you back to a long journey now, because ICCPL has been in the industry for the last 11 years. So Mr. Dushyant Sinha, who is the founder CEO of Integrated Center for Consultancy Private Limited, he founded his company with a paltry sum of just rupees 5,000 from his personal savings. And he created a company's website with an investment of rupees 2,500 and purchased a second-hand desktop and printer from the rest of the money, that is 2,500. So for months after the inception of the company, Mr. Sinha would do a lot of cold calls to every second-hand motorcycle for no results. So by chance, while traveling by road, someday he came across a hoarding of a real estate company. That's Gulshan Homes. He's one of the most renowned real estate companies in Delhi NCR currently. And Mr. Sinha saw the sales advertisement of Gulshan Homes the next day in the newspaper. And Gulshan Homes at that point of time was an upcoming construction company which had delivered several, at that point of time it had given one residential project and was successful in delivering some others in given point of time. So Mr. Sinha at that point of time knew that, small size growing client is going to be suitable to, acquire and to start up his business, as he has been struggling to, doing cold calls at that point of hour. It was the need of the hour for Mr. Sinha to, buck up and get a client on board. So Mr. Sinha made a cold call to the head of Gulshan Homes and proposed him a PR solution at that day. So soon the sales head organized a meeting of Mr. Sinha and Gulshan Homes, so that there could be a communication between them, so that the client could get on board. And later, Gulshan Home was the owner of Gulshan Homes was a business graduate from a top business school of India. And he understood the importance of PR, how PR is important for a company and what a PR can do. And to be very honest, being associated with the media and PR, I have been a former journalist and now I'm currently working in a PR industry. I know what PR can do to a business. PR can boost your business within coming months and years, and you can see a great potential if you invest your companies into PR. So Mr. Sinha, as I told you, he made a cold call. He got an opportunity to have a meeting with the owner of Mr. Gulshan Homes. So at that point of time, Mr. Sinha, when he called and he got a meeting fixed with Gulshan Home. Gulshan Home, the owner of Gulshan Home said, "Do you have any experience of PR?" to Mr. Sinha. And that was, at that point of time, real estate companies were actually looking out for PR. Gulshan Home was itself looking out for PR. So Gulshan Home asked this thing that, do you have any experience in PR of a real estate firm? And you have a team to work with you. So in reply, Mr. Sinha said that, no sir, I am just a one-man army. I have invested my personal savings of just 5,000 rupees making a website of ICCPL, and I have purchased a few equipment so that I can get the job done. So this is how the journey started. And Mr. Sinha quoted that, no sir, I am one-man army, but I'm sure that you will not repent. You will not repent giving me the work of Gulshan Homes. And that is how the journey started for Gulshan Homes. And earlier, Gulshan Homes was a bit reluctant to give the PR job to ICCPL, but was impressed by Mr. Sinha's honesty and dedication. And, all thanks to Mr. The owner of Gulshan Homes, that he took a leap of faith in Mr. Sinha, and that's how ICCPL got its first client. And when we talk about ICCPL, there are a lot of people who just want to know which sector ICCPL, which sector clients ICCPL caters the most. So from real estate to education, we have DPS Society. In healthcare, we have Vedas Cure, Jivo. For several startups like Oyo, VideoMe, and we recently got a new client, fintech client on board, that is Startup Services. And we have managed several celebrities like Mr. Renowned singer, Mr. Dilen Mehendi, and Indian cricketers Hardik Pandya. The next thing that the viewers would really like to know is how a crisis management is being done, because that is like a need of the hour. You hire a PR firm, but at some point of time when you are running up a business, there is going to be a certain crisis. And that's when the crisis team comes up, and that's how the crisis, is get managed. So ICCPL, as I told you, is the only PR agency who does crisis management at the last day and even at the last hour, and that is quite next to impossible. But we have been still doing it on a regional crisis or even on a pan-India basis. So we have a separate team of crisis management out here in ICCPL. So with our strong relations with the editorial department and also strong listening of our company, helps us to retain a separate wing of a crisis management team who are strongly present and connected to every region of the country. So this helps ICCPL to form a clientele of crisis management in our company. So this is how crisis management goes, because while working in the industry, be it any sector, be it a real estate sector, be it infrastructure, be it healthcare, obviously when you're putting up your money into a PR firm's hand, you obviously want things to get solved. And at the end of the day, there are going to be people who are going to question you for certain things, good or bad, it doesn't matter. But when we talk about crisis management is one of the most important things that a PR firm should do. And we are proudly, we are proud to say this thing that ICCPL has been doing a phenomenal job at crisis management. And I want to shed some light upon the awards and recognition that ICCPL has, got in the last few years. So we got an award for Specialized Consultancy of the Year award, that is Real Estate 2020 by Exchange for Media in IPR-CCA Awards. Then we were awarded for PR and Popcom 40 Under 40 by E4M Media. We got a PR Agency of the Year award by Silicon Media, and Best PR Firm of Pan India Awards of Excellence is in MSME Innovation and Startup Summit. PR Communication 40 Under 40 Winners Club by Exchange for Media. And there have been several accolades like this. So with all these things that ICCPL has been doing for the last 11 years, me being a part of the team and working over here, feel really proud to present ICCPL at this platform and telling our viewers, telling you about what ICCPL has been doing for so many years. And as the team has been working really hard even during the pandemic, and we know out there that the journalists also, media is not just about PR, but media is also about the journalists who are covering, and the major sector of media comprises of journalists. And several journalists have even lost their lives, but none of the journalists have backed out from the step that they are not going to provide credible information to the viewers. So this seems to be like a very brave thing. Like obviously they were also the frontline workers, like our doctors and nurses and other paramedical staff. So journalists have been doing a great job. PR people also have been, though we were not in the field, but we knew that if any information needs to be put out on a global platform or a national platform or even on a regional platform, we have to communicate, we have to spread out those news so that our viewers, our clients, they'll get to know what's the recent developments that are going on in the country or around you. So being in the media sector, being in PR, we feel proud that we have a strong relation with the media. We have a strong relation with journalists and the clients that we have been serving with such great trust. And ICCPL has been doing great. And it's been a short span of time that I have been in here in ICCPL. But I'm looking forward for a great journey out here. And I believe that when people are going to see this and when this message gets delivered to people, they are going to search out for ICCPL on Google, or they'll go out on other social media platforms and see how we work and what we work and what type of clients do we serve or what sector we are catering to. And this is going to be a very vital information for them, even for startups who are just trying to make a mark in the industry. They can come up to us and they can talk to us and get the job done. And we are here for you. We are here to serve our clients, and this is what we have been doing passionately. So whenever people are going to see this, whenever people are going to search about ICCPL, they are going to get to know that what we have been catering to. And this is going to be the first break for them. And to all the startup people, that money is never a concern, as we say, but strong relations are. When you are in the media, when you are in the PR industry or in any industry, yes, in the initial stages, you need to put on some money on the table to get your job done. But at the end of the day, there are going to be relations that they are going to take things forward, and this is how things go.
Mhm.
When you put up money and when you show some trust, this is how PR works. You need to show some trust on an agency so that they can do wonders with your brand. So
Yeah.
this is what we do, and as our tagline says, we create brands. We have been creating brands for the last 11 years, and I hope that this journey that we have done for the last 11 years continue to go on like this.
Okay. So, sir, as I mentioned before, that we are talking about the introduction and beginning of ICCPL. So, as you know, that our
Yes.
viewers are laymen as far as PR industry is concerned. They think PR
Yes.
only is connected with celebrities. So, I just want you
Yes.
to enlighten them about that. With like, what are the sectors you work in?
Okay. So, for all the viewers out there, PR is not just restricted to celebrity management or to any one particular sector. When we talk about PR is going to be about everything that is out there in the world. Even if you see a building, you see this building is made by a certain developer. So you go out and search for the name that I like this building. This building is really attractive. So you search out for that building, that I saw this building on this road, and who constructed that building. And then you'll get to know that okay, this is the person who has created the building, or this is the brand that has created that building. Similarly, when you purchase a phone, when you do anything, when you even purchase any product, all right, you go for the brand. You see, okay, this is the brand that is quite reliable. So PR is not just restricted to any one particular sector. PR can be about every sector that is present out there in the world, be it a mobile industry, be it a real estate industry, be it even a healthcare industry, be it education, be it auto, be it retail, everything. And like I said, we have been catering to a variety of clients. We have not just restricted ourselves to just one particular sector, right? Yes, we have a lot of real estate sector with us, a lot of real estate clients with us, but yes, we have been serving clients from healthcare sector as well. We have been serving clients who are in the education business. Like everyone knows, Delhi Public School is one of the most renowned chain of schools all over India, right? So we, as DPS is one of our clients, and we have been helping DPS with their public relations. And similarly, when we talk about fintech, we also have a fintech client. So there are other domains as well. There are other sectors as well that PR is catering to, and being a PR agency, we are also catering to it. We are not just restricted to one sector. We just don't want to be restricted to one sector. We want to be, master of all the trades. We want to serve as many clients as we can with proper dedication, with honesty. And this is how all PR agencies should do, and most of them are doing. And I must say, because in market you will go and you'll see a lot of PR agencies, they are working and they have been doing a phenomenal job. But yes, there is going to be a certain forte. We have a certain forte of serving real estate clients, and that is our forte, that is our specialization. And this is the only reason that ICCPL is known to be one of the leading PR agency firm when it comes to real estate sector. But yes, we also have other sectors, and yes, PR is in this growing age, when everything is getting digital, when you are having technological advancement, when you want to make a great image of your brand, yes, PR is the need of the hour. And every sector, PR can cater to every sector that is out there in the world. Yes.
So thank you so much for enlightening our viewers with what PR exactly is. And indeed, it was a fruitful session. Thank you so much for your time and your crucial words.
Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you so much.
Yeah.